morning and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna start the C70 project. So let's start some music and eat some breakfast and travel to my parents' place. And we are here. It took some time, but yeah, that's how it is sometimes. And I actually don't know where I ended up or stopped working on the car for like 5 years. So we are going to making improvements instead of progress this day. It's Camberplates, so it's thicker in one end and thinner in one end. Yeah, so we're gonna start with mounting Camberplates in the rear, so we get some camber and hopefully some fitment. Yeah, so that went pretty easy. I'm going to show you or explain. It's pretty easy. You take off the wheel bearing and then you just put it like that, so it mounts in the holes for the wheel bearing, and then yeah, you offset the wheel bearing itself. So pretty simple setup. And that side are done. I'm gonna finish off the other side without you, and after that we're going to lower and see how much camber we get. Well, damn, that was a lot of camber. So yeah, I'm actually debating right now if I should order some 3-piece. I think it would sit pretty well. I think I can get 10-inch wheels in the rear. So a lip with that camber, yeah. Well, we will see what happens. Yeah, so the next thing I have to do is getting the interior done. Because as we have talked in an earlier video, I started with building it for car audio. So I have sound and it all in, like, yeah, everywhere. And there is not much of an interior in here. So yeah, I'm going to piece stuff together, and I need to order a new dash, new A-pillars and such. It's a lot of stuff, but I just have to dig in it. yeah, and that's all for today. I have come a long way since I haven't worked on the car for 5 years, and yeah, so I'm happy about that. In the next video, I think we're going to fiddle around with Kevin's car, and hopefully we're gonna make it pass inspection. Or maybe we will see more of this one. Who knows? Time will tell. Make sure to subscribe, like the video if you liked it, and enjoy life.